Imagine standing in a place where the sun has never existed. The pressure could crush a submarine. Creatures glow like aliens, and life survives without oxygen from plants. Now here's the terrifying part. This place is not on Mars, not on Europa, not in another galaxy. It's right here on Earth. More than 80% of our ocean is still unexplored. That means we know more about the surface of Mars than the bottom of our own planet. And once you see what lives down there, you'll understand why the deep ocean feels like another planet. At around 200 meters below the surface, sunlight begins to disappear. This zone is called the twilight zone. Below 1,000 meters, complete darkness. No sunrise, no sunset, no photosynthesis. On land, life depends on the sun. In the deep ocean, the sun doesn't exist. Imagine living your entire life in absolute blackness, not night, not dim light, pure void. If you turned on a flashlight down there, it would look like a star in space. That's when the planet starts feeling alien. At the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, pressure reaches over 1,000 times what we feel at sea level. The deepest point is called the Challenger Deep. It's nearly 11 kilometers deep. If you stood there, the weight pressing on you would be like 50 jumbo jets stacked on your body. Even submarines can implode if they aren't built perfectly. Many deep-sea missions have ended in crushed metal and shattered equipment. And yet, creatures live there, soft-bodied, fragile-looking, completely unaffected. That shouldn't be possible. But it is. In total darkness, animals create their own light. This is called bioluminescence. More than 75% of deep-sea creatures glow. They flash. They blink. They shimmer blue. Some use light to hunt. Some use it to hide. Some use it to attract mates. Imagine floating in darkness and suddenly a face lights up in front of you, rows of teeth. Transparent skin, eyes bigger than its brain. Creatures like the anglerfish don't just look alien. They look designed for another world. Some species don't even have proper bones. Some don't have eyes. Some look half-melted. And we're still discovering new species every year. The deep sea isn't flat. It has mountain ranges longer than the Himalayas, volcanoes constantly erupting, underwater waterfalls, canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon. The mid-ocean ridge is over 65,000 kilometers long. That's the longest mountain range on Earth. But almost no one talks about it because it's underwater. And near these underwater volcanoes, we discovered something shocking. Life without sunlight. In 1977, scientists made an astonishing discovery. Hydrothermal vents deep beneath the ocean's surface. These vents release superheated, mineral-rich fluids, creating an environment previously thought impossible for life. Temperatures around these vents can reach over 400 degrees Celsius. An extreme and hostile environment. And yet, against all odds, the entire ecosystems thrive around them, teeming with unique life forms. Giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and alien crabs are just a few examples of these extraordinary creatures. Crucially, these organisms don't rely on sunlight for energy, unlike most life on Earth. Instead, they rely on chemicals from the Earth's core, a process known as chemosynthesis. This means life doesn't necessarily need the sun to survive, a paradigm-shifting revelation that changes everything we thought we knew about the conditions required for life to flourish. If life can exist like this on Earth, could it also exist on Europa, Jupiter's icy moon? What about Enceladus, Saturn's moon, where geysers erupt from its south pole, suggesting liquid water? The deep ocean might be a tantalizing preview of alien life awaiting discovery in our solar system. Here's something unbelievable. We have mapped 100% of the moon, but less than 25% of the ocean floor in high resolution. We send telescopes billions of miles into space, but most of our planet remains a mystery. Why? Because the ocean is harder to explore than space. Salt water destroys equipment. Pressure crushes machines. Darkness limits vision. In space, there's no pressure. In the deep ocean, everything pushes against you. It's like exploring another planet, but upside down. The deep ocean is not silent. Strange sounds have been recorded. The bloop metallic echoes, unknown seismic pulses, Some were later explained. Some weren't. Sound travels faster underwater than in air, which means something miles away can feel like it's right next to you. Imagine hearing something in total darkness and not knowing what made it. That psychological fear alone makes the deep ocean feel extraterrestrial. Scientists estimate millions of species remain undiscovered. Every deep expedition reveals something new. Transparent fish, living fossils, creatures that look prehistoric. Some animals come up to the surface and literally fall apart because they're not built for low pressure. They belong to another world, a world below ours. The deep ocean feels like another planet because it almost is different physics, different biology, different ecosystems, different survival rules, and yet it's part of Earth, right beneath us. We look up at the stars searching for aliens, but maybe we should be looking down, because the most alien place on Earth is Earth itself.